All right, just doing a test. Mock-up mounted these 4-inch drivers. This coax right here. Love these tweeters, Silk Dome tweeters. I've got some Dayton Audio 4-inch real woofers. These are the Neo ones they just give out too early, but the tuning is nice and low. The sound is really boxy and boomy. Nice. And I got the speaker terminal binding posts all mounted and got it running a little Bluetooth amplifier here. Turning out real good sounding. So stereophonic and nice. So next thing is corners, and I got some shellac on order, and these things will be done. Nice little project.